Hi, this video is to show you how to apply advanced filtering to your reports. So let's click on reports. If you want to learn more about how to search for a report, how to run a basic report, please watch our basic reports video. In this video, I'm going to take the report 0217, a unit matrix report, to show you how to apply advanced filters. Once you click into the report, as you already know, you can apply a date filter or a general filter. Now, under the general filter, there are two options. One, to add a basic filter or an advanced filter. The difference between these is when you choose a basic filter, you can only add a particular field to filter once. With advanced filter, you can use the same field multiple times. So for example, let's say with the unit matrix report, you're looking for any student who's got a credit transfer or an RPO. When you choose the basic filter, you can only choose to go with outcome code contains 60, which is a credit transfer. You wouldn't be able to put in another filter. Of course, you have the option of putting an AND, but that would mean you're repeating the same filter for the same student, which means it's going to look for students who have an outcome code of 60 as well as a 51. But what you need is students who have an outcome code of 60 or of 51. So to get that result, you would click on Advanced. Again, I'm going to go with the same example. So let's say we want to pick up any student with an outcome code of 60 or an outcome code of 51. And let's say with the outcome code, you also want to filter by a course offer code or an enrollment status. So in that case, I would go and find the enrollment status. Let's go with contains current. All right. On top of this, if you want to add a date filter, go for it. You can add any number of filters. Now, when you use the same filter multiple times, remember to group them. So the way you group them is by clicking on the checkbox. So choose both the fields and click the brackets. So this will automatically group the outcome code. So what the system will do is now find all the students that have an outcome code of a 60 or a 51, as well as have an enrollment status that contains current. The rest of the steps are as usual. You can either download as an Excel or generate the report. Now, as you can see, we not only have where it contains a certain value, but also has something. So you could add they not only have a 60 or a 51, but you could also put in the CUOR end date, which is the client unit offer registration end date, is before the start date. So this is mainly used for data integrity purposes. Sometimes when you put in like a 60 or a 51, you might not have changed certain dates properly for the students, or you might have just put in an end date on the day you've given the credit transfer, but the start date could have been in the future. You may have forgotten to change the start date. So this kind of picks up all those issues within your data. If you don't want any filter, you can just ignore that bit and just go generate the report. And if there's any data matching your criteria, it'll pick up. This is just a demo database, so you see a blank. But yeah, that's the way you use the advanced filtering. Thank you.